Mrs. Down in 4th grade for preparing today's liturgy. For Amber and Julia and Melanie did a nice job preparing the readings. My watch stopped at 8:23, and I was asking the altar servers, do you know what time it is? Not only did my watch stop, my heart stopped. At the last day, usually the last day of school is the best day of school. Freedom, fun, summer. The last day of school, 2 weeks ago the preschool graduated. Last Friday the kindergarten graduated. Last Friday the 8th grade graduated. And I told at the graduation all the teachers graduate because the school won't be opening for the school year 2011 and 12 at St. Joseph. And now the rest of the school body at St. Joseph graduates. I got an envelope of all the years of how many of the teachers have been here at St. Joseph. A long, long time. So the last 2 weeks I took the yearbook of all the faces of all the faculty and the staff and the teachers, and I've been praying one by one for each of you, that where you go in the world, that you always represent St. Joseph. Be humble, be obedient, be God-fearing, be faith-filled, be loving. Whether you go to St. James or Holy Trinity, whether you go to St. Malachy's or Lady of Fatima, whether you